Bathroom vocabulary. 1. Wash basin. 2. Mirror. 3. Toothpaste. 4. Hairbrush. 5. Shaving foam. 6. Razor. 7. Liquid soap. 8. Electric toothbrush. 9. Hand towel. 10. Toilet. 11. Plunger. 12. Rubber supplies. 13. Toilet brush. 14. Toilet paper. 15. Shower curtain. 16. Water heater. 17. Bathtub. 18. Bath mat. 19. Soap. 20. Towel.